Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Now, Diwali is the festival of gifting. So, if you've been thinking about gifting yourself some high-end skincare loving, then you've landed at the right place because today I'm going to be talking to you guys about 5 high-end skincare products that I absolutely love, that I can rely on, that just work for me and are just absolutely worth every penny you spend on them. So, I'm not going to make this intro any longer because I think the products require more talking than the intro does. So, without any further ado, if you want to know about my favorite 5 products from the high-end category, then please keep on watching. So this first product shouldn't come as a surprise to anyone. I'm talking about Estee Lauder's ANR or Advanced Night Repair. I don't even know how many bottles of this I have gone through. This is one of my most frequent empty product and this is a new bottle, so I can't wait to open it up and give some love into my skin. Basically, this serum has some patented ingredients in there, so no one in this world can properly dupe it because patents. But this is such a beautiful serum, you guys. It retexturizes the skin. It makes it so much smoother, so much softer. It just works miraculously on my skin. Whenever my skin is going through a rough patch, I run back to this. This is something I've always said. Even before my brother's wedding, I was like, I'm just gonna keep all of my serums aside and I'm just gonna use my ANR. Now this does come in different sizes, so if you're not really sure how this will work on your skin, do go for the smaller size first. Test it out, see how it works on your skin, if you like it or not, or if you like it enough to spend that much money on it, and then you can go for a bigger bottle. But me personally, I'm obsessed. Next up, I have Clinique's Moisture Surge with me right here. This is the new 100-hour Auto Replenish Moisturizer. Now, honestly, no one's going to wear a moisturizer for 100 hours. You obviously will be washing your face in between and everything. But this is such a long-lasting moisturizer. It stays on your skin. It reactivates of sorts, so it doesn't feel that your skin is becoming dry throughout the day. Especially if you work as a cabin crew or if you are a frontliner and you have to wear your PPE kits for a long time. This is going to be a great product for you because your skin will replenish itself with the help of this moisturizer. It's such a lightweight gel moisturizer, and yes, there are alternatives available for this in the market from Pond's, from Neutrogena and everything, but literally they keep on stepping up their game. They went from 24 hours to 72 hours and now to 100 hours. Next thing you know, they're going to be like 1 month auto replenish moisturizer. But I love them. I love Clinique so much. I feel like their products are simple, just scientific, and they work. Another moisturizer that I really like is GlamGlow's Glow Starter. It's basically like a strobe cream but with more skincare benefits and more glow and luminosity. It's so beautiful, you guys. Looks so healthy on the skin, and it has this beautiful orange popsicle fragrance that I die for the fragrance. But yes, I really like this moisturizer, and again, you can get in small sizes. There actually is like a very good GlamGlow value kit where you get GlamGlow mask as well as this moisturizer. So if you want to try it out, definitely get the value kit first because obviously the full sizes can be a little bit more expensive and you need to make sure you're truly spending your money on something you like. But highly recommend this moisturizer if you have dull skin that doesn't have a lot of luminosity to it, or skin like mine that's Sahara Desert dry and needs something to make it look like, oh, I'm an ocean, not a desert. Another product from Clinique that has been in my favorites for a while is Take the Day Off Balm. This is a cult favorite product, you guys, and there are so many reasons for it. This balm literally takes the day off. It doesn't only take off your makeup, it takes the freaking day off. It's so effective, it's so gentle, it's the best makeup remover balm out there. Like, hands down, this is the best makeup remover balm out there. Nothing compares. Yes, there are alternatives from the drugstore out there, but once you use this, you feel like, is it really a dupe? Yes, it's an alternative, but a proper dupe? Nope. Even the liquid form, the biphasic remover is good, but I am more of a balm person, and again, I have emptied a whole tub, like this huge tub earlier. Even this has a lot of different sizes, so go for the smaller one, see how you like it, and plus with even the smaller size, it's going to last for so long. You probably might not even need to buy a full size because the smaller size will go on forever and ever and ever. And the last product has a piece of my heart. I'm talking about YBP's Healing Calendula Salve. Now, YBP and their skin salves are just the best in the market, like nothing else compares. And this one in particular is so buttery, so smooth. It just gets absorbed into your skin so quickly, and it's great for skin that's dry, sensitive, has eczema, or maybe like over exfoliated sometimes like mine, because it heals your skin, it calms down the inflammation, and it makes sure that your skin barrier is protected and is repaired too. This is such a beautiful product, you guys. YBP is just such a potent, just raw natural brand. I love that brand so much. You guys know that I've been a follower of that brand for such a long time. I have a great association with them, a close knit association with them. I know Payal personally, and I've seen her create and formulate her skincare line even before it was announced, like years and years ago. I know how much hard work she's put into it, and that's why I feel like everyone must invest in YBP skincare, because once you try their skincare out, you feel like, it's so potent that you don't want to get anything else in your skincare routine, because one jar does it all. So yeah, I'm not going to blabber more about this because I know I'm like, buy YBP, but that's true, you must buy YBP. But yes, with that I finished my recommendation list of 5 high-end skincare products that are absolutely worth every single penny you spend on them. Do let me know if I mentioned any of your favorites in this video, or if you want to pick up anything from this video. Also, let me know what is your favorite high-end skincare products, because I'm always on the lookout for great high-end skincare too. But that's going to be it for today's video from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found this video helpful. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.